I finally opened it. You know, you know you're a hot mess when you can't even open a package. Ooh, we got a package. Highly perishable frozen products. Oh, let me get a knife. Hold on. So it looks like summer grilling package is what we got. Maybe. We'll see. Here's their little catalog. We got. Oh, I only got one thing this time. Weird. Oh, they're beef tenderloin steaks. Filet mignon. Good. And there's plenty of dry ice to play with here in a bit. But they got a bunch of promotions. Oh, that's what the HelloFresh was. Okay. I think they are partners with HelloFresh. So here is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I will be taking advantage of that because I've been curious about HelloFresh. We're going through some massive life changes right now, and nothing serious like babies or marriages or whatever. It's more of like all the little things piled on top, and you know, a lot's been going on. So our apartment, as you can see behind me, is a total wreck because our apartment complex has decided to renovate everything because they got bought out by another management company. They wanted a new look, they wanted new appliances, new everything, so there was no sense in me cleaning or doing anything like that that would, you know, or reorganize or whatever, because I didn't know what they were going to do next. I seriously did not know if they were going to be, you know, in this apartment again and mess everything up again. So I've been like tidying up and like cleaning the essential things like the bathroom and the kitchen, of course, because I don't want to catch anything and I don't want to get sick. So, but as far as, you know, reorganizing, redecorating, anything like that, I have put that off because they are doing so much to these apartments. In the past few months, they've been in and out of our apartment, on the outside of the apartment, doing all sorts of things that just disrupt life entirely. And like for a whole 4 hours we didn't have a toilet, and I work from home, so that was interesting. And we only have a 1-bathroom apartment. That was an interesting day. They're redoing the outside, which you think would not affect us, but it does, because look at my patio furniture just hanging out in my living room for the past week. Yeah, there's no sense in cleaning the living room. I can't even get to my clothes to fold because all of this is in my way. Like everything from, I can't even watch TV because my bikes are in front of it. There's no room to put it anywhere else. This is the biggest room in the apartment. So that's what I'm going to get to next. So I'm thinking my first video back after the big break because of renovations and things that are just out of our control. Sorry, this is going to be really loud because apparently the lawn company is here too. Come on, Izzy. As you can see, our patio is completely empty. It usually has all that furniture out there, but they painted this. This was like a dark brown, and they painted this like a light cream. Our railings are usually covered with tiki bamboo covers because our patio was more tiki themed, but I don't know if we're gonna put it back up or not, because I don't know if we're staying here another year or if we're moving. So that's something I'm gonna have to talk to Tui about, because it is a pain in the butt to put up, because we use zip ties on every single bar on the top and bottom to put it up, and it took me about 30 minutes to take it down. And so, but this is my next project, is figuring out what I want to do about the patio. Do I want to get rid of some of the pottery? Do I want, I'm definitely keeping my nice table and chairs, of course, but I just need to figure out what we're gonna do as far as like, do we hang the bicycles from the ceiling like some people do here? Or should we find a way to put them in the storage closet? But here's the problem. This is the storage closet. I have to open it slowly because I'm afraid things will fall. Oh, yeah. Mind you, half of this stuff in here right now, on top of everything, is stuff from the patio. Like, this is the tiki grass slash bamboo that we've used for the railing. I saved that in case we wanted to put it back up, but like there's some basket hangers, and so once I get all the patio stuff out of here and situated, or in like a pile or something out here. But this is what I'm going to do when they finish up with the trim and all of that, like, and then they also have to do the railing. So we have some days before we decide what we need to do with everything. But again, sorry for the lawn service, but I am thinking for this space, everything's already organized for Christmas and fall decorations in these tubs, so I don't have to worry about those. But for everything else, I'm gonna go through it and see what we need to keep and what we need to get, you know, give away, or just get rid of, trash, donate, whatever. I'm thinking we're gonna donate this van because, I mean, it's been in here for 2 years. We haven't used it, so probably gonna get rid of it. But you know, there's like wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper, Christmas lights, rugs, you know, things like that. So we're just gonna have to go through this and see what we want to keep and what we don't want to keep, and then I'm going to have to measure and see if we can get some shelving in here, some freestanding shelving, like like a baker's rack kind of shelving, like metal shelving. So that's what I am in the process of doing. So I've been looking on Amazon, and of course I can't even get in there to measure because this is such a, oh, such a mess. But we threw everything in here and inside because we only had like a day or two notice to get everything off the patio. I think this time around I'm gonna keep things more simple and clean so that, I mean, look at this view. I mean, not many people who live in an apartment complex in downtown Dallas has this kind of view. So I kind of want to keep things like clean and streamlined. That way, if we do decide to move in October, when our lease is up, it won't be such a pain to move everything out of the patio. So this is just one big mess, and you know, it's just something you got to deal with as an adult, so that I'm dealing with it. I will continue to update you guys on the patio, how I'm going to decorate it, if I'm going to change anything about it, you know, what happens with the patio closet, because I think I'm going to have to pull everything out of the patio closet before I even put any of the patio furniture on there. So I'm just waiting for them to finish up painting the patio today, and then tomorrow during the day, I'll be able to have as much time as I need to get everything done, and I'm probably going to have to wake up early so that I don't pass out in the heat while getting everything out of the patio. So, or the patio closet, so that's what I meant. I'm already hot and delirious, so anyway, so that's a lot of stuff to deal with, but that's what I've been dealing with for the past 2 months. That's why I have not posted anything. That's why I've been kind of MIA on most social medias. It's because not only am I busy with work, with working out, with my other endeavors in life, but because my life is being interrupted as we speak. So those are the joys of you not owning your own home, is that other people get to make the decisions about where you live, and you just kind of have to bend over to their will. So, but luckily, either this year or next year, Tui and I are looking at renting a house rather than an apartment. It seems like most of my friends who rent houses instead of apartments are a lot happier, and they have way less issues with maintenance or with anything else, because most times landlords will let you make the decisions of what you want in the house and things like that. And eventually, if you live there long enough, maybe the landlord will let you buy the place at a reduced rate because you've been renting for so long. So that's something me and Tui are hoping for. We're hoping that, you know, in this great city that we live in, we'll find something that we can afford, and we don't need a huge mansion. We just need a little 2 to 3 bedroom house. So yeah, that is the future we're looking for too. So anyways, in the meantime, I may be a little sporadic in posting videos right now, but Tui brought up that I did have some footage from Scarborough when it first started that I didn't get to editing. If I'm going Sunday, I should bring my camera and add to that footage like the beginning of Scarborough, the end of Scarborough, because Scarborough Fair, a Renaissance fair here in Dallas, one of my favorite things to go to. I go to almost every single weekend during the 8 weeks, I want to think, yeah, 8 weeks, yeah, 8 weeks that it is going on. And yeah, so I figured I'd bring you guys along this Sunday and see what all Scarborough has to offer. And this time I'll get a lot more footage than I did the first time, and I'll just kind of splice them together and be like, oh, first day of Scarborough, last day of Scarborough. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this wasn't a very eventful video, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm here. I did not quit YouTube. I just had to take a break because everything was going down, and I didn't know how to deal with that and do YouTube at the same time, so I kind of just put YouTube down for a little bit. But I am back and everything's good, and hopefully I'll be posting more videos this week. And for sure, by Wednesday of next week, I will have another video up, most likely the Scarborough video. And the following week after that, I should be good to go and start videoing even more, because it's summer, there's more things going on, there's more events. You know, just more reason to get into going out and getting in shape and being out there. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you continue to watch me, even though it might be a little sporadic from here on for a little while. But I will see you guys later. Thank you, and please remember, it's a-okay to make a mess. Everybody does. So